Let's go to Jonathan Turley, constitutional law attorney, GW law professor, and Fox News contributor. Jonathan, great to have you with us today. I just want to start by putting up this timeline of the Hunter Biden gun case for everyone at home to just take a look at these dates. The form was filled out on October 12th, 2018. And on that day, he checked no on the gun form in terms of being on any unlawful drugs or being a user of unlawful drugs. Then one day later, he texts an unknown person that he's waiting for his dealer. And then the next day, he texts Hallie Biden, quote, on a car smoking crack. Jonathan, how difficult are these text messages for Hunter Biden, who's claiming, and his lawyer's claiming, maybe it was alcohol at the time, or he wasn't actually on drugs when he filled out the form?
Well, it's obviously very difficult. Very few people will buy these defenses. There is no defense that I can see here. I mean, it's akin to getting yourself locked in a bank vault and saying, I got lost on my way to the restroom. You can say that, but very few people are going to buy that. And that sort of leads to this question of why they didn't just plead guilty. If he pleads guilty, there's a good chance he wouldn't get jail time. It increases that likelihood. And instead, he's going to go through a very embarrassing trial without any real defense. I mean, they've also suggested that perhaps he was the one who checked the box. Well, you're going to have the gun dealership owner standing, who stood there, who's going to describe him doing that.
So why do you think that he didn't plead guilty if you think that would have been the easier way out for him here?
Because I think this is looking like a nullification strategy. Jury nullification is when you either explicitly or implicitly encourage a jury to ignore the evidence. And this is the place to do it. Wilmington is the Biden hometown. This is the favorite son of the favorite son. And I think that there's a hope here that in a combination with sympathy for the addiction and perhaps sympathy for the family, you can get a hung jury or even jury nullification, because that's the only viable option I can see here. I mean, do you really think 12 people are going to say that a third person checked these boxes for Hunter Biden, or that he had the world's smallest window of sobriety that could be reduced to a few hours? Of course no one's going to buy that. So you're relying on something else. You're giving them at least the appearance of a defense, but you're really hoping for nullification.
Let me ask you quickly, Jonathan, is it too heavy-handed for the president to comment on this case, for the First Lady to be sitting in the front row of this jury? Do you have any problem with that or not?
I don't have any problem with the father weighing in here for his son. Having Jill Biden in the court, however, is a reminder to that jury that this is a Biden town and this is a Biden case. And I think the prosecutors may be chafing at that.
Yeah. Jonathan, thank you. Always good to see you. Jonathan Turley.
Thanks, Martha.
Joining us this afternoon.
Click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis. You won't get it anywhere else.